Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show in this video how to set up VPN connection on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you're not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you had got your VPN connection details, server details from your VPN provider, and if you want to add the VPN on your Windows 10 or Windows 11, then I will show you how to do this. First of all, you have to click on this start menu, then click on settings, then click on network and internet. In left side you will find here VPN, click on that, then click on add a VPN connection. Here you want to add VPN provider, connection name, server name or address, then click on save and close this window. That's it guys. So in this way you can set up a VPN connection on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.